welcome to Chief Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today's tip is about a handy product that is very, very inexpensive. And I can't believe I haven't talked to you about this before. I don't know why. But this one is wonderful when you've kind of painted yourself into a corner and you don't know what to do. This is a decision-making tool. Now, this is a very, very simple thing. This is called watermedia acetate. It is a polyester-based film. We have them in several different sheet sizes. There's 3 in a pack, and we have like 11 by 14 and 14 by 17, and then also a 20 by 25, so which will almost virtually cover a whole watercolor sheet. We also have 12 sheet pads. They come in various sizes as well. The way I'm going to be using it has several lives in it. So, you know, you don't need a whole ton. You're going to be able to wash whatever you do off of this and then reuse it again. So let me explain what I'm going to use this for. Right now, I have a painting I thought I liked, and then it dried and I have my gold leaf on it, and I thought maybe my gold leaf would pull it out of the ditch, and it didn't. One of the things that bothers me about this is that my Brusho, as it continued to dry, it kind of muddied. And sometimes Brusho will do that. It continues to kind of diffuse into the wet wash. And sometimes you want it to stop and you just don't have any control over that. So these really, really pretty kind of like areas have kind of all blended together. And so we're lacking focus here. And so for a painting like this, which I would deem pretty unsuccessful at this stage, you can actually use this product to test out different options. So what I have here is 1 sheet of the watermedia acetate, and what I'm going to do is just lay it down on my painting here and stuff. And my painting is kind of warpy, so it's causing it to bubble up a little bit. This painting is on Kilimanjaro 140-pound cold press, bright white. And what I'm going to do is it's a Chief Joe's Legend, which is really, really soft. It's a sable brush, and I'm wetting my brush. And I'm actually pre-wet a couple of colors on my palette that I think I want to use to try and resurrect this one from the dead. Now, the great thing about watermedia acetate is that you can actually test what you're going to do on the acetate, not on your painting. So you can actually check and see how this is going to translate before you've committed. So I'm going to check and see, like, do I want to darken this to kind of mimic this shape down here? You can kind of lay that on there. And okay, do I want to push it all the way to the corner? Do I not like that so much? You can actually just take a tissue and edit. I don't know. And then you can actually grab another color and see if you want to shift the tone of this around, or do I want to take it a totally different direction and like move all of this over, and you know, because you can paint around the gold leaf if we really need to. Do I want to push this whole area back a little bit? So you can actually like test things out, see how it feels. I got an interesting vertical thing going on here. Do I want to play with that a little bit? Yes, I do, because that gives that a little bit of a punch. So you can make editorial decisions and see if you like it, and then don't have the problem with the that didn't work out exactly like I hoped at all. The cool part is you can take this off. You can either use a paper towel or a Kleenex. Clean this off. Put it back in the drawer, and it's ready for next time. So now you know the direction now I know the direction I want to go with this and where I'm going to take it. And I haven't torch the whole thing in the decision-making process. So check out watermedia acetate. It's available right here at Cheap Joe's. It is a fantastic and handy studio tool. Sure, you're going to like it. Make sure to just pick up a pack, see what you think. We're sure that you'll enjoy.